friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about ASUS and Noctua's ASUS GeForce RTX 4080 Noctua Edition graphics card. So friend, the ASUS GeForce RTX 3070 and RTX 3080 Noctua Edition. The Noctua Edition of ASUS GeForce RTX 4080 is the third graphics card to feature Noctua fans and a heatsink that has been co-engineered by Noctua and friend by switching from the stock 3 slim 110mm fans to two of Noctua's award-winning NF-A12x25 PWM 120mm units to a more elaborate tailored heatsink with vapour chamber and 5 instead of 2 8mm diameter heat pipes. Thermal and acoustic of ASUS original TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 4080 could be improved significantly for the Noctua Edition and making it quietest card in its class. And friend, this edition have already been tailored in aspects such as size and heat pipe layout in order to make the most out of Noctua NF-A12x25 fan, superior aerodynamic performance, and the heatsink of the RTX 4080 Noctua Edition has been redesigned from the ground up to achieve maximum thermal efficiency, and by adding a vapour chamber and using its superior heat spreading capabilities to transfer the thermal energy to 5 instead of 2 8mm heat pipes. And the Noctua Edition provides significantly better cooling performance than the original TUF Gaming GeForce RTX 4080. And friend, this edition features semi-passive fan control setup that can switch the fans off completely whenever the GPU temperature goes below 50 degrees Celsius, and this means that in typical configuration with low or moderate ambient temperature and a well-ventilated cases, the card can run entirely passive at lower GPU loads such as during office productivity tasks, web browsing, or even light gaming, and even at high GPU loads such as during gaming or benchmarking, the fan speed will stay extremely low as long as ambient temperature inside the case isn't excessive. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.